Welcome to our series of videos looking at exporting your information from Plottr. And in this video, we're going to take a look at exporting to a Microsoft Word document. Now, to export to a Word document, you can simply click on the export icon in the toolbar of either the timeline or the outline. And in the drop-down menu, simply choose MS Word. It will ask where you'd like to save it. Click Save, and it's been exported. Now let's jump to what that looks like. Here we are in a Word document for the Three Little Pigs. And you can see first we have our title page. And below that we have our outline. And you can see it's set up, Chapter 1, Chapter 2, along with each of the plot lines that you had set up in Plottr. So we can see main plot, Pig 1, Pig 2, and Pig 3. And if we look at Chapter 1, we can see all the information that was exported. So we have the title of the scene card, any attributes that were assigned to that scene card, including characters, places, and tags, plus the scene card description. As we scroll down, the next section is our characters. So again, if we look at Mother Pig, it will have the name of the character card, any images you had associated with it, the description, notes, as well as the custom attributes you created, in this case, role, gender, and primary trait. Continuing through the document, the next section will be our places. And the same information was exported. You can see here the title, Brick House, the description, it was made of bricks, any notes, as well as our custom attributes such as owner, whether it blows away, what it symbolizes, and location. Finally, scrolling down, we have our notes section, so any notes that we created, including the titles, tags, and descriptions of the note cards. So that's all the information that's exported when you choose the default Microsoft Word export. Let's jump back into the Plottr file and look how we can customize this export. So here we are in the Three Little Pigs again. And if we go to Export and choose Advanced, and select Microsoft Word in the top right corner, you can see we could choose which elements we would like to export. So for example, if you only want the outline without any of the characters, places, or notes, you can simply uncheck the columns for characters, places, and notes, and you can uncheck the title page as well. And when we export it, I'll call this Three Little Pigs outline. You can see this time only the outline exported. And choose Export again and Advanced. We can customize it even further. So if you want all of your elements, but you only want the description for each, you can simply uncheck everything that isn't a description. And in the bottom left corner, you also have the option to save these settings across projects. So the next time you export with Word, it will remember these settings. And when I click on the green button to export, I'll save it again. And then when I open the file this time, it only includes the description, without any of the tags, images, or other information. So that covers exporting to Microsoft Word from Plottr. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and be sure to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for all our latest information and updates. And I'll see you in the next video.